of education. So, what is education? Education is a process that involves the transfer of knowledge, habits, and skills from one generation to another through teaching, research, and training. In fact, education is the most effective way of increasing economic growth, healthy, and reducing poverty. And what about character? Character is the particular combination of qualities in a person that make them different with others, such as honesty, leadership, trust, courage, and patience. In Michael Josephson's opinion, character is both formed and revealed by how one deals with every situation, as well as extraordinary pressure and temptation. And if people ask, is education strongly related to character building? Of course, the answer is yes. In my opinion, through character building, education will lead our next generation into better morality. And through education, people with good character will be led to the better future. Supporting my idea, Dr. Mayatno from Atmaja University says that the emotional and spiritual intelligence is important in building a strong, independent, and active character. As the result, guys, let's see now in 2013's curriculum, character building has been proposed to be taught to all students in Indonesia. This is the effort that our government plans to establish the students' personalities to become good human beings, society, and citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, we can't deny that education is important for us. But character is more important because good intelligence without good character is nothing. It's useless. Like our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-adabu fawqa al-ilmi. That means the character is above intelligence. That's it. From the hadith we know that good intelligence isn't enough. It's also needing good character to become good people in society. I have a story from Sayyidina Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. When he was sat in a forum, he said that the most he scared about people is the learned hypocrite. And then the other Sahabat asked him, who are they? And then he answered, they are people who have good intelligence in their mode, but they're foolish in their attitude. See? So ladies and gentlemen, now we can conclude that the goal of true education is building intelligence and character. We can compare that character is just like a seed, and education is the ground. If you place the seed in the fertile ground, of course, you will reap the good result. And remember, the way we learn today establishes the future of our nation. So guys, let's be great human with good intelligence, good skills, and good character to become the great Indonesia. That's all from me. For all my mistakes, please forgive. Thanks for your nice attention. I'm Amira Fauziah from Nurul Hidayah Islamic Senior High School. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.